Hi, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another unboxing video. So, I have a box right here. If you can see, ada 3 parcel baru sampah. So, which one you want to see first? I think save the best for the last. So, without further ado, kita buka yang ni dulu, and then yang ni, and come back to another video for this one. So, without further ado, let's do unboxing video. So guys, are you ready guys? Ta-da! I beli Hacipupu snuggle with me. Sorry I dah beli satu, but I get the one that I don't want, so I beli lagi this one. Sorry tu, I beli yang dapat yang ni, yang merangkak. So I don't really want this one. I nak yang berdiri, so I beli lagi. So I beli yang baru. So inilah option yang you akan dapat. Okay, I dapat yang ni, yang you tengok tadi tu. So I beli lagi sebab I nak yang berdiri. So ini bahagian depan dia. So without further ado, jom buka. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ini dia punya plastik dan dia ada kad dan aksesori kat dalam tu. Okay, plastik dia macam ni. Jom kita buka. 1, 2, 3. Kita bungkus dalam ni. Ready guys? 1, 2. Tada! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is so cute. Guys, cute gila. This is my least favorite. So I nak yang berdiri kalau you tengok. This one is merangkak. This one is standing up. So I want the standing up. So this is my least favorite lah. So okay, this one is dendeng deer, if I wasn't mistaken. This one. And this is the card. So nama dia Ding Dong Reindeer. Belakang dia macam tu. So cute guys. Tengok detail dia. Okay, sangat cute. I really love it. Ekor dia. So cute. Siap ada kasut lagi tu. Dan pok mak lah kat situ. So cute. So guys, ada 2 dah. Setakat ni Hacipupu, and I'm going to get more. The standing up versions, maybe I want to collect all the standing up versions. So I think that's it for today. Bye.